Hi, good morning. My name is Majeswaran Seneral. I'm student of University Uttara Malaysia. Today, I would like to talk about an analysis of adolescents' aggressive behavior pattern among illegal motorcycle racer in Kanga Perlis. My supervisor name is Dr. Sarara Devi Mariam Daran. Introduction. In Malaysia, the social problem that involve group of illegal motorbike racer or known as mat rempit has become a national issue. These individuals who are categorized as at risk youth become the focus of media as they usually race on the road in group and endanger the public and other road users. The group often comprise young and aggressive male and female riding motorbikes and racing with each other in the middle of traffic. They normally not only engage in racing among themselves but also challenge other road users to race with them. A study conducted by Jackson and Wilson found that motorcycle gang members in Great Britain were tough, aggressive, sensation seeking, risk taking, irresponsible, and lacking in self esteem and ambition. As an effort to understand illegal motorbike racer personality, the concept of self esteem, leadership, and resilience should be examined among them. Motivation activities that samsing jalanan or so-called mat rempit does not only deal with illegal racing but also activities related to illegal racing are also considered negative. Illegal motorbike racing phenomenon is one of the social problems of adolescents, and many efforts are now being intensified to solve the problem as the best as possible. Moreover, working as enforcement office in traffic department which investigate cases of illegal street racing give more attention to solve this problem, including how it is impacting the people by disturbing emotion and psychological level in society. To study why the adolescents are involved in illegal street racing activities when they know it is an illegal act. Problem statement. Is aggressive behavior a cause for adolescents involved in street racing activities in Kanga Perlis? What is the best way to encounter the problem of aggressive adolescents behavior among street racers in Kanga Perlis? Research framework. Illegal street racer is independent variable. Aggressive behavior depend variable. If aggression is very high, the involvement in illegal street racing also will high. If the aggression is low, the involvement in illegal street racing will be low. Conceptual framework. Social learning theory states that individuals become aggressive by imitating role models. Social learning theory states that observational learning takes place and that is learning in reinforced vicariously. Vicarious reinforcement occurs when a person witnesses a model being rewarded for behaving in aggressive way. Vicarious reinforcement make it more likely that model's behavior will be imitated in the future. According to Bandura, for medicinal process must occur for imitation of behavior to take place. First, attention. An individual must pay attention to the model aggressive behavior. Second, retention. Individual must code and store the observed aggressive behavior in long-term memory. Third, reproduction. Individual must be capable of imitating the aggressive behavior. And fourth, not but least, motivation. Individual must have good reason for reproducing the aggressive behavior. Scope of research and limitation. The scope of this study focuses on four factors that need to be studied in relation to aggressive behavior and ways to control the issue. In addition, limitations of this study are as follow. Limitation on operational concept. This study focuses on aggressive behavior among adolescent illegal street racer. Limitation on operational concept include the concept of aggressive behavior adolescent and how to overcome this problem. State of limitation. Collection of survey data is conducted around Kanga, Perlis. Restricted respondent illegal motorcycle racer or Samsung Jalanan was selected as sample of this study. Contribution. Research will be conducted to see how the main purpose of this research on the level of aggression and what make the routine involved in street racing at Kanga, Perlis, Malaysia. The research also will focus on how to reduce the street racing activities and overcome this problem in society. All this will be seen in this research. Literature review. Scientific study done by Zalmizi Hussein examined aggressive peer issue among mat motor in Penang. This study focuses on aggressive peer-to-peer relationships that are interpreted by informant. This study has also used an abductive inquiry strategy through an interpretivist approach and phenomenological method. The result of the study have shown that aggressive peers have been interpreted through their participation in the activity of convoy with street gang at night. Typically, their activities start at night rather than during the day. They ride in large groups to disturb peace in public road regardless of traffic rules. The finding also shows that interpretation of informant participating in convoy activity with street gangs is seeking fun, easy access to night, parents' attitude and circumstance at home. The situation arose as a result of external expression such as inability to adjust, not accepted in the social system, and internal stress response experience. Discussion explore this issue from perspective of the concept of mob mentality. Therefore, the issue need to be understood in depth. This prevent the occurrence of community polemic that only harm the country. Overall, adolescents who did not contribute to the country actually did harm themselves and the country. The scientific study conducted by Zuraida binti Aziz is similar to that of researcher. She learned about the problem of illegal racing among teenagers, and these various phenomena are social problems that need to be addressed in a discrete way. This is because it is a turning point for other social problems. According to her research, each person involved with this issue has a specific type of personality, and with this personality also as a person for their own problem. They also have a courage to show act and that they are dangerous to the public. Many factors are their own issue with illegal racing issue such as fun, stress, boredom and even peer pressure. Literature review. Research gap. In general, the previous study did not pay particular attention to the aggressive behavior pattern of adolescents involved in illegal motorcycle racing activity. Therefore, in this study, the author will pay particular attention to adolescent aggressive behavior pattern. This study will focus on Kanga district, Perlis as a field of study. The discussion will also discuss the social impact of community engagement and the best way to curb this problem. The cause of teenagers involved in illegal racer activities is also focus of the discussion. Research hypothesis. First, is there any relationship on physical aggression of adolescents in illegal street racing? Second, is there any relationship on verbal aggression of adolescents in illegal street racing? Third, is there any relationship on anger of adolescents in illegal street racing? Fourth, is there any relationship on hostility of adolescent in illegal street racing? Research objective. First, identify the physical aggression of adolescent in illegal street racing. Second, identify the verbal aggression of adolescent in illegal street racing. Third, identify the anger of adolescent in illegal street racing. Fourth, identify the hostility of adolescent in illegal street racing. Research question. First, is there any physical aggression of the adolescent in the illegal street racing? Second, is there any verbal aggression of adolescent in the illegal street racing? Third, is there any anger of adolescent in the illegal street racing? Fourth, is there any hostility of the adolescent in the illegal street racing? Research methodology. Location: Kanga Perlis, Malaysia. Questionnaire will be using quantitative survey bus empiric aggression questionnaire in 4 factors: physical aggression, verbal aggression, anger, hostility. Research subject: focus on street racer 15 years old to 30 years old in Kanga Perlis. Analysis: the study will be tested using SPSS correlation. Finding and analysis. This research will be conducted and hope to see the outcome as soon as possible. Reference Q&A. Thank you.